The war of words once struck by Narendra Modi's RSVP jibe seems to be far from ending. Rahul Gandhi has counter-attacked Modi once again using the Adani card. Now, Rahul claims that Adani was given 45,000 acres of land while poor people were asked to vacate the land. Meanwhile, BJP dismisses the analyst's view that BJP's attack is driven by Priyanka Gandhi's entry.
आज हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति में भी ये आरएसवीपी का खेल चल रहा है।
किसी के बारे में उल्टा सीधा नहीं बोलते।
आपको तो रोजगार नहीं मिला, लेकिन जीजा जी को मिल गया।
और अदानी जी को स्टेज पे चढ़ा दिया, कहा कि भैया तुम इधर आओ।
His RSVP jibe, dragging in the son-in-law of Congress's first family, triggering a political war like no other.
माँ बेटे की सरकार ने ऐसा मॉडल दिया कि जेब में 1 लाख रुपया है और 4 साल में 300 करोड़ हो जाते हैं। ये आरएसवीपी मॉडल है, आरएसवीपी। आर राहुल, एस सोनिया, बी वड्रा, पी प्रियंका।
But in return, the Congress vice president wasn't docile either.
गरीब लोगों की जमीन थी, उनका क्या हुआ? परे कर दिया गया, हटो तुम यहां से निकलो। ये अदानी जी को जाएगी। इंडिया शाइनिंग, गुजरात मॉडल, गुब्बारा मॉडल, टॉफी मॉडल, इसको जो कहना है कह लो। ये आपकी नहीं है, ये इनकी है, आप हटो। अगर नहीं हटोगे तो गुजरात की पुलिस आपको गोली मारेगी। परे हटो यहां से।
An aggressive political war of words between the two bigwigs, expectedly echoed by their cadre.
Mr. Narendra Modi, who over the years has the dubious distinction of using the language which either is uncivil, indulging in theatrics, and dragging the political discourse literally to a gutter level.
But analysts feel the reason behind BJP's attack could be Priyanka's entry.
How come they're raising this Vadra thing and threatening to send him to jail now in the middle of an election campaign when Priyanka has jumped in and she's issuing statements every day? Are they scared of Priyanka? Is that why they're raising the Vadra issue?
But the BJP says it's not scared of her entry.
97, Waghela gave 3 million square feet of land at 1 rupee. In 1985 to 1995, the Congress government gave 28 toffee land deals to 28 land deals to various industries.
It's the biggest clash this election, and with the BJP making it personal and targeting the Gandhis via Robert Vadra, and Congress in return using the Adani card, both the parties now find themselves firefighting the issue once again. Bureau Report, Times Now.